Okay, so first thing you need to do is go on your start and hold the shift key and both click on the restart button. Then it will just restart. Then click troubleshoot, advanced options and startup options. Restart. Okay, now you need to choose the number 7. So you just press F7 on your keyboard. And just wait till the window starts up. Okay, so after the restart, you need to go to this page and download driver for Windows 7. Just click download. Okay, I think it's finished. Then just extract it. Now you need to run the setup in compatibility mode. So click on Properties, Compatibility, and run this program in Windows 7 mode. Hit OK. Run the setup. Just follow the setup instructions. Now plug the USB cable. Okay, finish. Alright, so the drivers are installed. Go to program files. It should be there. Link magic. Now we need to go to device manager. Maybe try unplug the printer and plug it again to computer. And you should see it here, the driver. And if this don't work, you can update it manually and browse this folder here. But now if you press scan to in the printer, it should open right away this link magic software. Yeah, I don't have anything in the scanner, so I just wait. Okay, so the scanner works, and now the printing is a little more complicated. You need to go to your control panel and add printer manually. Just click here, add a printer. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a local printer. Now you should choose the last one, the virtual printer port. But if this doesn't work for you, you can try the first and second. But for me, the third works, so yeah, click on that. Next, have disk, and now browse that folder which is in your program files. So click program files, link magic printer, and this file right here. Click open, OK. Just click next. Yeah, next. Whatever. You can print a test page to see if it's working or not. Okay, so it prints this print page, and now you should see this printer. I'll just close this. You should see this printer in your control panel right here, and if you open, for example, the Microsoft Word or something, you should see it over here in your printer. So just click that, click print, and now it should start printing. Yeah, right, okay. So that's it.